Hi, my name's Martin. Welcome to this video about a Seadoo GS. I've bought two of them and I'm hopefully going to make a good one from two bad ones. So follow along on the journey and with me and my son Callum and see how things go. Before we leave, just going to show you the jet ski that we actually still have. There she goes. You'll see, I've taken this wheel off to take with me, just in case I get a flat on the way. Never too careful. But this one's missing front part here. It's got damage down here. It's in a bit of a sorry state, to be honest with you, but I managed to find one online. It's exactly the same. There's Loki, the husky. Just shut this gate before we get out. Managed to find one exactly the same, just down the road from us, which is it's in a lot better state than this one, so I'm going to go down and pick that up now, and I'll see you later on. Okay, just going to show you guys what I've got in the car. You'll see here I've got a toolbox, a little 7-pin to 13-pin connector, because the trailer's got a 7-pin, the car's got 13. Spare wheel, jack, impact wrench, couple of extra tie downs just in case, and we'll be on our way in a minute. That was going to be another project, but I think that's too far gone, but we'll see. Okay, well this is us just driving down to pick up the second jet ski, myself and my son Callum, who is operating the camera in this short video. So I'll leave you with some lovely scenery of northeast Scotland, driving down through Granton-on-Spey, Aviemore, and down through the A9 towards the Central Belt. Okay. Well, here it goes. Finally made it home. It's the next day now, obviously. It's too dark to film when I got home, so. But this is her. Good thing is, noticed this morning, flat tyre. I did have a spare wheel with me anyway off the other jet ski, but it managed to last until I got home, so that was good. So yes, it's in much better condition than the one we've got. The only difference is this one has a blank there, where the one through that we've got through the back there has a speedo on it, so might have to retrofit the speedo to this one. I'm sure it can't be that difficult to do. But this one's got no broken trim. It's got a wheel as well for the jockey wheel there as well, which the other trailer doesn't have. And it's just all in all much better. It's obviously dirty, but it's in all in all much better condition than the one that we've got through the back there. So much happier, much happier. So basically we'll get this one moved around the back, so that both of them are around the back, because I need to get it off the front driveway because I've still got to finish off my driveway. But also, I don't know what it is about these trailers, but you'll notice here that this one here has a flat tyre on that side down there. So, but this one here, as I said, has a Seadoo, which the other one doesn't have. And you'll notice on the quality of this one, I've pointed out already, there's had a bit of a dent there. It's just an all round not so good condition as the other one. The seat's got a rip on it here. Yeah, there's a cable tie holding parts of the thing at the back there as well. So, but and plus, just not aesthetically as pleasing as the other one, because there's lots and lots of stickers on this one. They've been stuck on over time by rental companies or whatever, and I don't know. Right, so that's what we'll do. But what we'll do is we'll try and update it and get the engine out of the one behind me here. This one here, get the engine out of that one. And I've got a box of spare parts in my garage here, which came with one I've just picked up, obviously, because the engine is basically in a box with a few other bits and pieces. I have to excuse the mess because I'm getting some new solar panels and some batteries fitted on Wednesday, so everything's in the garage. I need to clear all this out because I'm still doing my driveway. Like I said, I've got all these cuts to do in the driveway here, which took me a wee while to lay this driveway before I went away for work, and now I'm back and I finished that off, and obviously I need to move this through the back, so I'll see what happens. But we'll leave it there for now, and I'll update it in hopefully in a little while. Okay guys, slightly frosty morning this morning. What I've done so far with this one, this is the old jet ski. The new one is parked up over there. Not an awful lot of space down the side of the house at the moment, because the wife says she doesn't want it around the back and she doesn't want it around the front, and the garage is full of fitness equipment, so that's not going to work either. So what I've done is I've put the battery into the jet ski just down there. It's a new battery, so that one works fine. The starter solenoid here is not working, so it's been bridged a few times, as you can see there, by the two bolts. Well, I've got a new starter though, so I'm going to put a new starter in, and we'll see what happens from the button on the dash. Okay, so I'm going to get on and do that now, so I'll cut back once that's done. Okay guys, that's now the new starter solenoid is in place there, as you can see there, all done up. I'm hoping this is actually at least going to turn over, because then I know the engine is not in too bad a state, because obviously the other jet ski's engine's in a couple of containers, so I've got no idea what the state of that engine is. If this one turns over, then at least I can take this to bits and change the gaskets and the seals, and hopefully it'll be in a better state. Let's have a go, shall we? We'll see the start stop button, see if the actual machine turns over. I've got the key in there, and let's see what happens. Nothing. Nothing at all. No. Okay, we'll have to look at something else then, because if I bridge the old starter, it would turn over okay. So I need to know what's going on here. Getting a lot of beeping, but nothing else. I'll have to see what's going on, maybe. Just a beep. What am I getting on the dials here when that happens? Let's have a look. So I'm getting an oil light there. Okay. Right, well, the starter was broken anyway, so that did need to be changed, as you'll see from the state of this one here. Look, it's not in a very good state at all, is it? When I bridged that starter, it did turn over previously, so it's not that the starter wasn't broken, it's just obviously that some of this wiring here, must have to look into it and see what's going on, because it mustn't be getting a signal. So we'll have to have a look into that. So that'll be for the next little clip. Okay. Okay guys, right, as I said, if I bridge over the solenoid itself, you'll see that the motor turns over. So there's obviously something wrong with it. Not the solenoid starter, could be the coil, could be the signal from the button up there, I'm not quite sure. But I've got to go away for work, so next video on this will be in a little while's time, but this is only a short video, an introduction, because, well, as I said, we've got this beast here, and over the back here, this is the one I'm going to be transporting the engine into, because this one's a lot better. You can see inside it's been taken apart, because like I said before, the actual engine is in boxes in my garage at the moment. So this is the one I'm going to be rebuilding into the better one, and eventually I'll be getting rid of this one here, because it's got, as I've said before in this video, it's got damage, and I'll be taking the engine out of this one and putting it into the other one, and eventually we will have a working jet ski, hopefully in time for summertime. Obviously now it's only December, so I've got to go out for work for a couple of weeks, and after I come back it'll be Christmas time, and then after that, January, hopefully I won't get any work in January, and I'll be able to take this to bits and see if we can get somewhere on it. Okay, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and see you later.